Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter RAR. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After that process is finished, we can open the app. From here, grant all file access for the RAR app, like this. Go back, dismiss, and our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.